welcome to the Board Gaming with Education store. We're a store all about creating and curating board games that are very engaging, very entertaining, fun, and also provide some educational context or educational content with them as well. So whether that's looking at games that are teaching a specific topic like our game Evolution, where we look at the ecosystem and how species interact in an ecosystem, or a family game like Ticket to Ride, where we just look at games that are really great for engaging family time. So I want to talk about how to redeem your EduGamer points. So I'm actually going to refresh my page here, and it should show me my total EduGamer points up here at the top. 1,000 EduGamer points. You can receive EduGamer points right now in 3 different ways. The first way is to sign up for an account at boardgamewitheducation.com. You immediately receive 500 EduGamer points for that. The second way is to receive 500 EduGamer points for 1 review once per month. So this is for a limited time. We're not going to continue this forever, but right now, if you purchase a game through our store, come back and leave a review, you'll receive 500 EduGamer points. And the third way is through purchasing. So for every game you purchase, you receive EduGamer points rounded up to the nearest dollar amount. So for example, if you purchase a game for $9.95, you will receive 10 EduGamer points for that game. So I want to go over how to redeem EduGamer points. So you're going to go into your cart. So I already added a game to my cart. I'm going to go up here to check out, and we see our cart, 1 game, the total price. We can look at the cart total. So this is just our subtotal. It's going to tell me the price of the game, the shipping, depending on where you're shipping it to or from, and then our tax. Again, that depends on your state. So the tax may or may not. It's going to be different depending on what state you're purchasing the game from and the local state laws. Next, I'm going to go to proceed to checkout, and then here's where you can redeem your EduGamer points. So again, up here I have 1,000 points. Maybe I signed up for an account and left a review. So I have 500 points, and I can go down here to redeem my points. I have to do it in increments of 100 since it's going to give me 100. It's going to be $1. So I'm going to do all my points, which is going to be 1,000. Click apply discount, and then it shows me that's going to be a $10 discount, and then up here it shows me minus $10. So the game now is $7.95, and then shipping $7.79 plus the tax is going to total $16.50. All right, so then I can just click I have read, and I can do PayPal or credit card, whatever way works best for you through payment. And that's how you how you redeem your EduGamer points. And here it's going to tell me, look, I'm going to earn 18 EduGamer points. So then you can always go back to your account and check out your point history, and it's going to show you how you've received points. For me, it has a lot of different things because of troubleshooting, making sure the system's working as it should be. All right, so if you have any questions about redeeming points at Board Game with Education, you can reach out to us at email. That's sales@boardgamewitheducation.com. Any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help you learn how to play new games. If you're looking at a game and you're like, oh man, I really want to learn this game, but I don't know if I have the time to sit down and read the rule book. Well, give us a call. We'll go over the rules with you. We're happy to help you get the game to your table. All right, so thank you for checking out this video. And if you are on YouTube watching this, subscribe to our channel because we will be releasing more video content down the road as well. All right, thank you.